What?
Lawyers you can meet with face to face.
Mom, what?
At Harrow Health, we've been here for
I see.
nearly 40 years.
You keep seeing him every time he farts. Starting the feelings,
So you've been injured in a
starting that
call Carolyn.
the feeling song that I showed to him. Like, Mommy, I farted! I see, fart is not, is it a problem, Daddy? Fart is a problem? Isaac, the problem I'm talking about, Isaac, you need to tell mommy and daddy. Like someone bully you, someone hurting you, someone kicking you, something like that. Okay? You should tell mommy and daddy right away. Okay? Manager, your dad, how old does that make you guys feel? Your dad to the WPHS radium mapia or mapia? Open parentheses and assorted others. Today, Matt, the manager, is 48. Ah, his birthday. Birthday Matt today?
No,
Or I don't understand.
it was the 5th.
Offices Orlando and throughout Florida. Man, trouble in the bedroom? Not anymore. Prime Beds
Or
Medical Center restores your sex life
he is
in just
manager.
one visit. Their painless
I was
breakthrough
just
treatments
being dad.
eliminate erectile dysfunction and PE. Here's a specialist in men's health.
I'm Dr. Simowitz at Viagra or Cialis laying down. Prime Men's Medical Center offers the most effective treatments that eliminate ED and PE, which men lasting longer than 98% of patients on their first visit.
I said my shoulder is unhappy.
What did you say? What did you say? You want what? Let's go. Warm essential. Makes me happy. Oh. Fun.